This video is bonus material for my spark plug replacement video. If you want to change spark plugs on your 5 liter or 5.2 liter, then see the Stiles Automotive spark plug replacement video, 2011 through 2021 5 liter and 2016 through 2022 5.2 liter engines. In that video, I go into great detail on how to replace your spark plugs. This video is my first attempt at doing a short, so I'm trying to keep it short and allow you to look over my shoulder as I'm replacing the spark plug in cylinder number 2.